Welcome back to another video, guys. We're going to be playing some Satisfactory today. Now, a couple things I want to tell you guys. One, I'm on the world that I have spent most hours on. There's almost 30 hours on this one world, and it does not seem like a lot. But to me, it's a decent amount of time. Second thing is, this factory is complete trash. Like, it does work. It is mainly effective. Although it is ugly. Let me show you guys around real quick. So, this is where I make motors. It is just garbage. There's so much clipping. Like, watch this. I can barely walk around this place. Like, it is just an all-in-one factory. There's no... Look at this. This is just... Look at this. This is so just... Yeah. This was me trying to make it look good. To be honest with you. So... I'm probably gonna spend the next maybe couple days transforming this factory. Like, okay. There's a couple things I want to tell you. Again, number one, the power supply is actually pretty good. And if I go here, I do have a blueprint for crappy generators. It's just 3 generators with inputs and outputs there. That's pretty much all it is. Second off, I was planning on making this look good, but like, I'll show you when I was planning on making it look good. Right about back here, right here, is when I was planning on making it look good. Right here. This is where it all started. Just trying to make it look good. But I did not know how to make a proper factory. Now I do. And it looks... It's just... It's so inefficient. Well, I don't think it is inefficient. It's somewhat efficient, but it's not what I want it to be. So... I'm not even done rebuilding my factory from that. Like, this is how much more materials I would have to do. So, might as well just take it all apart again. I almost don't want to, because like, to fit all this back in, all the storage, this is gonna be a nightmare. But it is fixable. Oh, it's actually making modular frames. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Wait, why is it merging onto this? Is this making modular frames? Okay, yes, it is. That's a lot of modular frames. Anyways, so yeah. I still don't want to do this, but I'm going to have to do this because if I don't, yeah, it's gonna be trash if I do not do this. Just straight up, I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna work out good. What's this? Oh my gosh. Okay. What? If anyone knows how to zoom in, how do you zoom in? Okay, I don't want to really mess up any of the controls. I'm not gonna do that. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but this goes all the way down, way over there, all the way into what looks like La La Land. Okay, to be honest with you, it looks like it goes nowhere. Clips to the ground, then it disappears to a miner right there. Why? Please, why? I know you're not gonna have an answer for this, but just why did I do that? See what I mean? Why did I do that? So this video is gonna be about me fixing this factory. So this is gonna be complete fun. I'm gonna keep this area because this is actually somewhat it's efficient. That's all I can say. It's efficient and it works. Oh, better yet to show you up here how much of a mess this factory is. Let's see. To be honest, I couldn't even tell you where any of this starts. Why does it actually not look bad from up here? Okay, it's trash. Just trust me on it. It is complete trash. Yeah. This hurts so bad to do this. I hate doing this. Oh no. So let me show you guys what I've done. I've done quite a bit. So last time you saw this place, it was complete wreck, and I was taking it apart. So I want to show you guys what I've done. I've actually strained it up, and I got generator place going, like a power area. So I've 6 coal generators right here. They're all working. Got pipelines situated out, and it's actually like neat and stuff. So we got that. Pipelines are situated. It's all looking good. And over here we have our iron plates factory. This only makes iron plates. It doesn't make anything else. So let me run over here real quickly and then show you guys what this factory is all about. Right over here. Why is this here? Get rid of that, get rid of that as well. There's a couple mess ups, but overall it's pretty good. So we have storage area, we have our output, plates, and we're getting tons of plates. I don't really know how many a minute. Let me go see. So this is how I'm just gonna figure this out. So it makes 20 a minute. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was 4 of them. So we do 20. Well, that's 80. So we're making 80 a minute. 80 plates a minute. So I mean that's not too bad. Definitely don't need any more plates because this is already a lot of plates. Um. Anyways, that is my iron plates factory. I'm still gonna need like. Let me get out construction real quickly. I'm still gonna need the rods and the screws. Now, this is what I'm gonna probably end up doing. I'm probably gonna do the rods and screws in one factory. That way I don't have to make 2 factories. And I still need to make copper sheets, which we'll get to that a little bit later. That could be like a separate copper factory. And eventually I'll probably shut the factory down because it would probably be already full. Um, then we're gonna need the steel factory. And now, what I plan on doing with that is I plan on making it huge, like just completely massive, because I'm gonna need a lot of it, just completely a lot of it. Let me get comfortable because I'm probably gonna actually end up making a factory or two during this recording. Um. Anyways, I still need a concrete factory. The concrete factory needs to be somewhat decent sized, but not just full out huge. Because if I make a huge concrete factory, it's gonna be making way too much concrete for me, and I'm gonna have nowhere to put it. I'm gonna have the only option would be to shut the factory down. That is not what I want to do. I want everything to work. So without further ado, let me show you how much power I'm making. So currently I'm making 450 megawatts. I'm consuming max consumption is around 282. So once that max consumption gets above 450, I will go ahead and add more generators, but that will be a later problem. My capacity is 450 megawatts as well. My consumption is staying around 188 megawatts. As you can see, it just dropped, but it should. Yep, there we go, 188.4 megawatts. So, anyways, I'm not done with this copper factory yet. This is my copper factory. So right here is making copper wire. Right here is also making what's it called? Cable. And now they're going in two different separate storage containers. So we have wire and we have cable in there. I still need to add walls to this, which shouldn't take too long to add some walls. I've been playing this game for about, I don't know. I really have not been keeping track at all, and I don't know when I started. So, yeah, I don't know how long I've been playing this game for. I think I made this factory a little too big, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and wall this guy off a little bit. We'll make it 2 walls. All right, perfect. Do that, that. Come on, get up there. There we go. Okay. Just hop up here. Come on, make the jump. Alright, whatever. Okay. Just make this wall. Alright. Looking pretty good, actually. Now what I plan on doing is going here, and adding a roof. Did not mean to do that. Bro. Can you not for like half a second? How do I climb this? I thought I could climb the constructors. Maybe I can climb the smelters. Maybe better. They're taller. I can't climb any of them. Oh, wait, I can climb the constructors. Did I just call them assemblers? I think I did. Bro. Wait, let me just build this. Wait, no. Bro, build it. Don't play that game with me. I don't like that game. Climb up here. Please. For once. Make a jump. There we go. The best thing about this, about my design here, is, well, this is not the best thing, but another cool little feature about my design. It's not on purpose. It's a coincidence. When I do 2 walls high, it leaves just enough room for the exhaust of the smelter to come out. So it's like a factory exhaust. So it's actually pretty cool. I'm glad I actually took the time and rebuilt the entire factory from scratch, because I took every single little bit part of this factory and put it back. Even the flooring. I was not happy with the flooring. I'm glad I took the flooring part as well. It looks so much better. Actually, you know what? How about a 2-story factory? That would be awesome, actually. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe. You know what? Maybe. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I would want to do that or not. Well, there's the copper factory done, so making cable and wire. So pretty much just cable and wire factory. Uh, let's see, what else can we make? Let's put on the constructor and make one real quick. Yeah, I wouldn't like to make the copper sheets. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna make the copper sheet factory real quickly because there's a couple reasons why. I don't want this video to be too long because I have another video to edit before this. Um, this is the first part of this video, if you're wondering what the video is. So I need to like edit this video, and I don't want this video to be like an hour and a half long because that's painful to edit. So what I'm thinking is I just do the copper sheet factory real quickly, and since it's only one component, it's actually really it doesn't take that long to make. And since I don't, well, wait a minute. Can I make that? No. Okay. Can I make that? Yes. I just need one thing real quickly. Just need one of these. Okay. And now, I know there's a copper node over here somewhere. Copper. Scan for the copper. Yep, there we go. Alright, there we go. Copper node. Perfect. What you mean invalid placement? You mean mine this first? Is this pure? No, that's normal. Oh, come on. Come on, let's fight. Come on, what you got? Let's fight. You ain't got nothing. Alright. I don't know if that'd be a good idea, because the factory is like, literally, the factory is way over here, and I don't know if that would look really, like, good. But again, there's also really not that much space over here. I don't have fuel in my chainsaw. You know what? I'm gonna try it. If it does not look good, I'm gonna scrap it. But let's see what we can do. See, where's that factory? There it is, okay. So let's make our way over there very slowly. Oops. Okay. I just put down a minor Mach 1 there because I need something for this conveyor belt to attach to. Alright, I need more reinforced plates. That is not a problem to get. How do I get up there? That's another system I need to figure out. But for now, I just need to go off to the side of this factory and go around. As you see, our output is actually pretty productive. Like I already have like 400, almost 550 of over 1,000 wire. Can you crouch? I was pressing the wrong button. I was pressing control for crouch. Anyways, get some more reinforced plates. Any reinforced plates in here? Yes, there is. Oops. Nope. The reinforced plates. There we go. So there's 100 of that. I'm gonna need a little bit more. Where is it? Also, why can't I hear any noise? Go. Oh, how did I not see that? Bro. Why is that down? Okay. Anyways, where's those reinforced plates at? Not here. Not here. There we go. Another 100. There we go. This is a big factory. It's a lot neater, though. A lot nicer. I don't like that clipping. It's fine. I guess if it's only one wire, one or two wires, I guess it'd be fine. Oh, where's that conveyor belt? There it is. Alright, and then let's go conveyor belt. Okay. Let's fix this. There. Alright. Now we're gonna add a smelter. Well, you can handle it more. Oh, that might be like a legit problem. How much I bet that's like a legit other problem. It's like right on the edge here. I bet I just ain't going another one up. Oh, great. Let me build the wall. I'm glad these materials are pretty much like unlimited to me. Like I don't really. Like, this pretty much just cost me nothing to do that just now. Because everything is just automated. That up there. Right. Now that is how I want it to be, and it would actually work out like how it would now. Let's go ahead and get the conveyor belt up here. If it will reach up here. Yes, it will. That is a very short thing. You know what? If it works, it works. so we can fit a total of 4. The reason I'm limited to 4 is because that's how many the miner can handle. So there's space here. Yeah, close enough. Okay, let's see. Now, time to play my favorite game. It's called... this game is called Do I Remember How These Systems Go? How do I not take fall damage this time? Let's get some plates. That is so much plates, okay. Calm down with the plates. Good thing I never need to worry about plates, because I'm never gonna shut this off until it fills all this up. Then when it fills all that up, I will shut that off, because officially, I'll probably beat the game with that many plates. I won't. I know I will not complete the game with that many. But I'll just shut it off for like a while, because that would probably mean that I would have enough plates to last me like a lifetime. Just gotta build over here, jump over here, perfect. Okay, now, time to guess. My favorite guessing game. I don't know, maybe I should just go here, take a splitter. No, that's how I'll probably do it every time. I don't see why it wouldn't work out. Splitter. There. Here. Perfect. Splitter. Right. Here. One there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Time for the constructors. Else, 2, close enough. 3, 4. You know what, if it works and it's efficient, and it's not ugly, I don't care. Alright. So that's all of them. Why am I making such a big factory for copper sheeting? Oh, whatever. I'm probably gonna need a lot of it later, so glad I'm starting it early like this. First time I've actually ever done smart planning, like ahead of time planning. How did that happen? Y'all saw that, right? I hope you saw that. I hope you saw that. If you didn't, rewind it like 10 10 or 15 seconds and see what I just pulled off. I'm gonna have to go back to actually see how I did that while I'm editing. Future me. See what I just did then. Because I'm probably not even going to pay attention to what I'm doing right now on the editing screen. Probably won't. Alright, will this? Okay. Good. Instructors. Now, I'm going to merge them all together. I gotta get merged. Outlet there. It's not exactly a good angle. Just continue a little bit. Then make a curve back around. Okay, I'm trying not to make it do that, but if it works, it's efficient. Where's the merge? You mean as long as it works. If I do that, maybe it'll probably work better. This guy goes with this guy. Then it turns around. Yeah, you know what? That's probably a lot better. Concept where it kind of glitches through. Sure. Alright. Okay. Might be good. That's all connected. So, alright, good. So, there's not much left to do other than get some copper going through here and hope that it all works and put the cover on it, put the top on it. And then we've got ourselves a giant copper factory that makes everything that we need. That's copper. Copper sheeting, copper cable, and copper wire. Perfect. That's gonna be a lot though. It actually looks really cool. It actually looks really cool actually. Let's cover that up. Cover that bit up. I actually really like the look of that, like a lot. Just paint it later. Like when I unlock the I'm not trying to think right now. I don't know what it's called. Oh, I hope I have industrial case beams. Need like, at least 7 of them, I think. It's 7 of them right now. I'll take that. I don't see any. Oh, there's 20, yes. That's probably my last one, too. Okay, so, go over here. And finish this up. Assuming I can make the Mach 2. Yes, sir. Alright. Alright, we're actually really close. Just real quickly. Here we go. Okay. The only reason I did that was so I can have more power cable from here, so I could go off of here for more power for the miner over here. I don't trust that thing. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not trusting that cable. I don't know where that goes to. Get the miner Mach 2 up here. And plug it in. It's automatically gonna put out from this. Okay, I don't think it's really connected. I think I have to properly connect this. A second here. There we go. Okay. Here we go. There is the precious copper. Let me check my power consumption, see how much this factory is taking. 326 for max consumption. So we're actually kind of getting a little close to where I'd actually start wanting to make another version of crappy generators right here. I just need more reinforced iron plates. That's another thing. I'm gonna have to make more reinforced iron plates. I'm gonna have to start a factory for that. That won't be until like probably a couple episodes later or so. So I mean, yeah, this is a good episode 1. This is a good start. This used to be my old factory. I had around 24 hours on it before I had the idea to take it all apart. I think y'all see what I see here. I don't have a pale berry. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. You know what? I wonder how many comments and dislikes, unsubscribes I would get if I attack it. I'm not gonna do it. Maybe they. You didn't hear that. No, not this one, not this one. Nah, I'm kidding. I won't later. I possibly will. That I won't. Right, time to see if it's all working real quick. Yep. Making copper sheets. Oh. our copper sheets. Going along into the production line. I'm glad they added this feature where you can just press a button, look all the way across the horizon, and then press the other button and it just builds. Like so much. This is so useful for making factories like this. Bro, there we go. There. Alright. So that's a very good start. Let me go over here. Ooh, I could add like a lower plating or a lower shelf. This is actually a really big factory. Very proud of that. That's a lot of cable. A lot of wire. How much plating has it racked up already? 26, 19 in there, 20, alright. And obviously ongoing. Let me see what would be another objective for like, I don't know, like tomorrow's video or something. Maybe the concrete. Alright. Maybe the concrete, maybe the iron rods. Then once I'm done with both the concrete and the iron rods and the screws, then we can work on the steel. What's this? Mucus from the power slug pressed into a solid light crystal shard. It radiates a strange power. Why would I want this? If you know a use for this, please comment. Please comment the use, because I would actually really like to know the use for this. Anyways, yeah, next episode, probably gonna do either the concrete or the iron rods and screws. Iron rods and screws would be pretty easy. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and see y'all in the next one.